Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to install Windows 11 in a PC. Let's get started. Before starting, check you have everything you need for a smooth installation. First one is your PC with an internet connection. The second one, a pen drive with at least 8 GB of storage for creating a bootable media, and a reliable internet connection to download Windows 11 and updates while installing, and backup your important files and data to avoid data loss while you are installing Windows. So before starting installation, backup your important files using external drive or a cloud storage. This ensures your data is safe in case if anything goes wrong. So let's get started. So navigate to the Google and type download Windows 11. Go to the official website, so you'll have multiple options, that is Windows 11 installation assistance, create Windows 11 media, and download Windows 11 disk image, that is ISO file. So click here. So click the drop down here and select Windows 11 multi edition ISO with 64-bit. You can check your system requirements here whether it is supports or not. Then click download now. Then it will ask you for select a language. Then choose English International. Then confirm. So it will create a link for you. So click on download. So it will start downloading. So it will start downloading that ISO file. So meanwhile, we need bootable software, means convert our ISO file to a bootable pen drive. We need one more software, that is Rufus. Go to the Google and search for Rufus and go to the official website and download the Rufus from here. Once everything is downloaded, just go to your downloads folder and check everything is fine and download it correctly, that you just downloaded the ISO file and Rufus. Plug in your USB drive and open the Rufus you just downloaded. It is asking for updates, so I just click no. Then you can select the drive you just plugged in. From the selection, you just downloaded the ISO image, right? So you need to select that ISO image. And don't change anything here. If you want to change your volume name, means a drive name, just you connected, you can change the name. So if you want to change the volume name, you can change to whatever you want. I just change it to Windows 11. And click on start. So it will take to this page. Actually, for Windows 11 you need some security, so some of the PCs are not going to support these things. So if you want to skip from those restrictions, you can check these restrictions to skip or bypass. Otherwise you can select whatever I am selecting here and you can click OK. Then it will prompt for you to erase the USB drive you just connected, so click OK. So it will start creating your USB drive. Before that, you need to take a backup of your USB drive, otherwise the data that is available in the USB drive all is going to erase. It may take some time to install. I'm fast forwarding this video. So our bootable drive is ready now. So unplug the drive and plug it again. So it will show a different icon here. You can see here it is having some Windows installation logo here. That means it is installed correctly. Even though it is not showing, that is works if the roof is showing completed. Now connect the USB drive to the PC that you wanted to boot the Windows 11, installing the Windows 11. Then click the power button and click F9 or F12 to go to the boot menu. Once the boot menu appears, you need to select the USB drive you connected just now to install or to boot from that USB drive to get installed. You should not select Windows Boot Manager or something else. You need to select that. I just connected HP pen drive, so it is showing like HP 710 something. So I need to select this one. So by using navigation keys in the keyboard, you need to navigate up and down keys. Then click enter. So the system getting started. So the system is booting using the USB drive. So the installation process is started now. So in this page, it will ask for select language. So select the preferred language. I'm selecting English India. So you can select whatever you want. Here you will have one more option called repair PC and install Windows 11. So if you want to repair PC also, that is possible from here, but we are installing Windows 11 here. So select Windows 11 and click next. If your internal mouse is not working, you just need to connect your external mouse, because in this case the drivers are not going to work while you are installing. For some pieces it will work, but some pieces it will not work. So better to have a backup. Agree the licensing terms, then click next. Then it is going to search for the disks connected to your PC. It will show the list of disks connected to the PC. So select the primary disk you want to install the Windows, then click next. Here just click install. So it will take some time to install Windows from here. So I'll fast forward these things. It will restart several times. So I'm just continuing video here without skipping. Just I'm fast forwarding. If you want to skip, you can skip that video to the next part. If it is restarting for multiple times, don't worry. Actually, it will take care everything while restarting. Once everything is done, it will ask you for select your region. So select your region. Then ask you for keyboard layout. Select one of that. Otherwise, just follow whatever I am doing. Here it will ask you for Wi-Fi connection to update your Windows in the background. So just provide your credentials for Wi-Fi network and click next. It will connect you to the internet because it will install the updates in background. Also, it will install the drivers that are supported to your hardware configurations. Here provide your name or whatever you want to keep for the PC. You need to provide here. So the same user is going to create. I'm setting this PC for my personal use. So I'm selecting personal. If you want to select for work, you can select. Then again, it is taking some time. I think it is going to reboot again. Then it will ask you for the sign in. You can sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create one. In our channel, we have one more video that is how to create a Outlook account. You can create one using that video. You can create that using your mobile phone or other laptop as well. And provide the details here of your account and provide the password for the sign in. Here is a validation, and validate your email account and click next. Here you need to create a pin for your laptop. That is not your email password. This is just a pin. For now, just create these things. Later on, you can remove these things because Windows 11 made mandatory for all these setup. In future videos, we will see how to skip these parts. But for now, just install as it is. So here the privacy settings. So if you want to keep some of the settings, you can keep and click next. Select one of your backup, restore. So it is going to recover from your backup and it will install all the apps that are available in your backup. Then skip all these parts and accept the licenses. So that's it, your Windows is ready now. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tips and tricks. Got any questions? Drop in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.